Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
Just a little bit of Sabres fever going on these days. Couple news tracker shots coming in this morning. Let's go Buffalo in one of the buildings downtown. Maybe that fever is going to help warm things up around here a little bit. Wouldn't that be nice? Let's take you off the waterfront. Yesterday, Brian sending this shot in down from the small boat harbor with the cruiser getting things in order for another season. And the ice is out of the harbor now, at least. And some of that ice, actually some chunks of ice, were drifting down the Niagara River yesterday as the ice boom is coming out. As we take a look at the Skyway shot this morning, if you look carefully here toward the tail end as the sky starts to brighten a little bit, you can kind of see some clouds lurking to the south of the city, and it is a little bit cloudier in that direction, but mainly clear skies prevail up to the north over Buffalo, the suburbs this morning, and extending northward of that into the Lake Ontario counties. Your weather for today. Hey, we're looking good out there. After sunup, mostly sunny skies, at least for the morning commute today. No major weather hassles out there. 36 degrees. Great way to wrap up the week. 47 at lunchtime, 50 here at 5 p.m. Maybe a few clouds gathering in our sky later this afternoon, but no chance of precip out there, at least for this Friday. The weekend, well, that's a different story. Super microcast. We have the clear skies across northern areas. Some clouds filling in to the south here. We're seeing some of them in the satellite pictures and the webcam shots down to the south already this morning. For the overnight, clouds will tend to increase, and the winds really whip up on the highest hilltops and along the lakeshore, especially to the south of Sturgeon Point, right down here to Ripley. So if you're going to be traveling that route tonight or tomorrow morning, be prepared for some very strong wind gusts, maybe up to 50 miles per hour, possibly even a bit greater than that tomorrow morning. As we get into tomorrow, though, the leading edge of rain is going to be spreading into the region, the western side of Niagara, Erie County, Chautauqua, portions of Cattaraugus. It's possible on the very highest hilltops near PA there might be a little bit of a wintry mix initially as this precipitation begins, but it quickly goes over to just liquid, and we're going to be dealing with rain across all of the area tomorrow, and a soaking rain at times. There may be a few breaks in the coverage of the rain, but again, later in the afternoon, a pretty solid band of maybe some heavier rainfall working from west to east through the area. That will taper off as we get into the overnight tomorrow night. Just a few spotty showers. We'll be left with some scattered rain showers across the area on Sunday. Maybe a few wet flakes on the highest hilltops down here to the south, but we're talking mainly liquid again on Sunday with maybe some partial afternoon sun. High temp today, well, upper 40s there at Niagara Falls, 48, maybe about 50 or low 50s in the Tonawanda, Amherst, and Clarence, also out toward Batavia. Down to the south of the city, a tad milder in this direction. The list maybe mid-50s down there at Wellsville and Olean, and this 60 might be a little overdone at Jamestown, 54 at Hamburg. Right now, 32 at the Falls and Buffalo, also down at Bradford, 34 at Jamestown. For today, mostly sunny skies for this Friday, somewhat cloudier to the south of the city, and a high 49 to 54 degrees. For tonight, increasing clouds down to 34 to 38. A soaking rain develops during the morning hours tomorrow, becoming very windy in the hills and along the lakeshore, especially in Chautauqua County. High temp 46 to 50. Then on Sunday, some scattered rain showers, mostly cloudy. Some partial afternoon sun, though. Things looking a little bit better for Sunday afternoon. Very breezy still, highs 46 to 50. Just a chance of a rain shower on Monday. That chance of shower activity increases, especially by midweek next week. But we warm up 66 on Wednesday.